Here's a clear and concise script for your video introduction to forecasting business data. Hello everyone. Welcome to my MS Excel series on YouTube. In this first video, we're exploring forecasting business data. For this session, we'll be using 9 years of actual data to project trends for the next 3 years. I'll be copying this data here instead of typing it out. Before we start projecting, let's format the trend chart to get a clearer understanding. See how easily the data can be represented in a graph. To forecast future values in Excel, start by typing the years you want to forecast, like 2024, 2025, and 2026. Place the cursor just below your last data entry, press the equal sign and type forecast. Next, click on the cell with the year you want to forecast, add a comma, and then select all your available data in years. Excel will use this information to project future values based on the trend in your existing data. Simply drag or copy the formula to the other cells and you'll get the forecasted data. If you want to master Excel and make data-driven decisions, stay tuned. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.